What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be playing Animal Company with one of my friends, as you probably don't know him, but he's super, and he's a cicada. It's Super Cicada!
You suck.
He just hit his controller. I heard it. He hasn't played the game in like forever, so I'm going to kind of teach him, you know, because I'm just Sigma like that. Yeah, that did not sound good. But anyway, new update, free jacket if you go subscribe. Anyway, today, we're going to be heading down the deepest part of mines.
Okay. I'm ready to cook and do whatever cookers do, so.
Okay, first off, you're going to need to grab this grappler.
I want. Wee!
And then second,
Yo, watch this. I'm the cooker of the year. Oh, but this sucks. Can this go any farther, or is it just like, no?
no. Yes. And then, for really quick, I got to buy a backpack.
There's a pickaxe.
Okay, let's go.
Is that mine?
What?
Free pickaxe?
It's not a pickaxe, so your visual glitch. Get your crowbar out, get your crowbar out, get your crowbar, get your crowbar. Empty everything out of your bag.
This
Okay,
is it.
follow. Oh, wait, I need a light.
Haha.
Let's go.
Alright, bro. I'm coming.
So
I got
we
a broken controller, so.
Yeah. Yo, cicada.
Bro, my controller.
Okay, let's go. Okay,
Mine.
so all we gotta do is go straight.
That's
Oh,
it.
yeah. I'll teach you the ways of a pro Fortnite gamer. Ooh, money. I mean, purple. Ooh, purple. Pronus of the year. Okay.
No, I'm the pronus of the year, bro.
Okay, this way. Ooh, pronus of the year. Here I come.
Will we get like $100 billion from that stuff?
No. This gives me research. This gives us research points.
How many?
I don't know how many a day. It'll,
Wait, does it give us both research points?
no, just me.
Bruh.
Whoever minds them. Okay.
But I want research points, bro.
Well, you don't actually play this game that often, so like I feel like I should get them.
I play
Okay, now this is the new part of the game. I'm actually gonna tweak out at this skip. This is the new part. Now be careful. Some of these platforms do like to fall. So by the way, this is a new
What
part.
if I fall?
Ah,
Yo!
you just use your thing. It's not that hard. This probably gave you a grappler.
Ah!
Ah!
No!
Don't worry. Put your hands up. Put your hands up and use your grappler.
Holy crap.
Yo, put your hands up. I swear, bro. Watch. Boom. Hands up, grapple onto something. When in lava, hands up, grapple onto something.
I'm on.
Okay, now come up here. This is the...
I'm like the lowest health you can be, bro.
My gosh, sound warning, bro. Why is everything so loud? Okay, now. This is where you get the broccoli that shrinks you. And over here is where you get the broccoli that makes you bigger. Okay, I'm gonna.
Do I get broccoli? I want
Yeah.
broccoli.
I'm just putting my pickaxe down.
Okay, I'm just. No, let me get some, bro.
Okay, I'll go to the other one.
Let me get all the broccoli. Now I want to be tiny too. So that's
Arlo! I'm Cronus.
It's TV! Yo! Yo!
Anyway, my backpack's full.
Broccoli! Oh! Bro! I'm TV! Yo! This is a big crack. He's big! Yo! Gigantic, bro! Yo, can we go back now?
Yeah.
It's so big!
Help me! How am I supposed to fit?
Ah! No, get away from me! No, no!
Oh.
Bro!
I'm gonna make it home. I'm gonna make it home first. Bro, it's so hard to move. Aw, I'm normal again. Yo, Pronus, where'd you go? Okay, let's go.
Hello. I almost died out there, bro.
Come on.
Bro, I'm stuck!
I just heard I suck.
I said I'm stuck!
Yeah, bro, I heard I suck.
No, I'm stuck!
Oh, same thing.
No! I'm Cronus. I can't suck. It's impossible.
Okay, normal purple gems. So I heard uranium's a good source for like collecting money, but I don't know if I believe that. Yo, can you hurry up?
No. Yo! Where we go? Up there?
Yeah. Cause I'm just Cronus. Ooh.
I'm scared.
Bro, just go up.
Where are you?
Up. Cronus. There you are. Bro. Is this gonna be half of the video?
Just edit it out, bro.
What if I'm too
Just
lazy?
cut it out. You're too lazy, bro.
I mean, that new video I posted took me like 5 hours and I barely did any editing, bro. We got 3 things.
Bye.
New broccoli is actually kind of fun to play with.
Hello.
No.
We can just stash stuff?
Yes, you can't lose stuff. I have a rare bag with a bunch of pumpkins and red flashlights and a pumpkin pie.
So how do you put your stuff in there? Do I
How?
just select an item that...
So
Where'd
yeah,
my backpack go?
it gets taken away from you when you come in here.
Can I take this grappler?
No, I need that back actually.
Fine. Then I'll eat this. Hello.
No. Bro, all my bags are full. That's fine. I got my grappler. If you eat enough of the green ones, you can get out of the map.
Wait, so can I...
Okay, first, I'm gonna go get something. If you wanna come with me, you can. I said green ones, bro, not those little ones. Okay, I'm going. He won't make it for that long. So it's after grenades. Where the sticky grenade? Okay. Might as well go for footballs. Okay. No, 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 no. So, next thing we're saving up for is the shotgun, which I'm gonna be honest, I might just buy with real money, because I'm just trying to get every gun unlocked, and so far I have every gun except the shotgun. Look at there, look at this non-proness.
You made me sad. I'm gonna go do this now.
You know you lose your bag. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh no. Surely shouldn't make it clear you lose your bag. You lose your bag, by the way.
I had nothing in my bag.
Okay. Yo, where did he go? You gonna buy the stun grenade?
What's this?
That's a grenade.
I'm more prone to...
He said I'm more bonus and I blow him. There wouldn't have been a perfect timing for that. By the time I get over there. Yeah. Yo, you good? Hey, wait. I'm sorry. I really want to get some of these arrows. Oh, okay then.
I found a snack.
Nuh-uh. You only did.
Should I eat it?
Where is your snack?
In my hands? Nom 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 nom.
Hey, you know what I can do? I just gotta go get it. Real quick. Oh. You wanna know what I can do?
What?
I can smoke.
I wanna smoke.
Okay. How did he hit me? That's not fair. That's not very prone-it. You know what? I'm leaving.
No, I can't go over there.
See you later. I don't supposed to be this far. No. I'm back.
Yo, I found something cool. Wanna see something?
Yo, what?
You ready?
Oh, I teleported.
Bye bye.
You didn't.
Oh.
You didn't. Ah! Again, I don't believe I'm supposed to go all the way out here.
Where did you go? Did you?
No, because I'm pronus.
You died.
No, because I'm pronus.
You died.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Look it. I'm back.
Yo.
I'm back. Where'd you go?
I'm in the thing.
Please say what you just said. Did you get out?
I'm stuck! I'm stuck!
Wait till you're dead. That's crazy. You're worth nothing. Absolutely nothing. You know what I have to say to that? What was that?
Aha! Aha! No, don't teleport! Bruh. You thought! Ha 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 ha! Wait, what?
No, that's not the way to go. Never mind. I'm just gonna walk away now. Guys, let me know, should I get the goat? I mean, it is $30. Also, Sky's in here. Could get the German Shepherd. I really want to get this. It's $30. 3 skins.
I'm stuck!
But I don't know if I should get it, that $30 item. Because I'm just trying to get it for the money so I can buy purple coins. Hey, you want your iPad?
I want an iPad.
Go get it. That's not. You want your iPad?
Yeah?
Go and get it.
iPad!
No. No iPad for you. You've been a bad Jimmy. iPad for me, though. My iPad. Football.
Football! iPad!
No, Timmy. No more iPad.
Football iPad!
You're gonna sit right here. No, sit. Sit over there.
Ah!
Hold on. Move. Stand still. Stop moving. Yo, stop moving. Here, I can summon you, watch. Come here. I can summon you, watch.
Okay.
So put this in the bag, open it, activate it, and put it in the bag. Activate that and put it in the bag. Put it. Okay. Activate this and put it in the bag. There we go. Now I'm gonna come over here. And look what I'm about to do. Hello? Are you down there? Arlo? Where did he go? I think I went through the map. What if I...
Bro,
What happened?
this!
Oh my gosh. Okay, is there anything else you want to do? I mean, we can go explore, new update, I don't know, old updates.
Let's play hide and seek. You count to 10,
Okay.
and I hide.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I
How
found
did
you.
you not explode? I put a grenade on you!
We're in the safe zone, bro. You're actual dummy, bro.
Hmm.
Okay, I found you.
I'm sad.
You know what? I'm riding off into the moon now. Dummy. Goodbye, brothers. I'll never see you again. Take off! Oh, there goes the surface. Oh, not all the way over here. You know how much longer that is? But the jet's up. That did not work.
I can do that too, wanna see?
Yeah. I don't like that. No!
Were you trying to take a picture of my dead ass body?
No.
Bro, are you still recording?
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna play Limbo, and if you win, I'll give you something. Okay, hold on. Before you go, wait. I didn't try to do that. Hold on, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Okay, don't go in the line.
There's one right there.
You have to make it through there, and if you do it, I'll give you a rocket launcher. Okay.
Yo! Bro got the ass too. Yo, can I have my rocket launcher?
You died.
That doesn't count!
Yeah, it does. Yo, your gap picks were only worth $3, bro. How about we play a game?
You know,
No, not that. No, this type of game. Follow me. So here's what I do. I press a button, and then if it sells, you're the loser. Okay? So you go first.
no! I don't want to be the loser anymore!
Oh yeah. Yeah, let's go. Are you ready for the ultra proness of your life?
No.
Dang it, bro. He wasn't supposed to get me. Dude, beast. Haha. Oh no, tablet! Bro, I'm gonna juke him so hard. He's still in safe zone.
Where's the tablet? Where's the tablet? Where's it? Oh, you have it. Can we do the ultra proness again?
No,
Why not?
because I'm too Sigma. Okay, let's do the ultra pro.
Can we go explore?
How did he hit me? That's actually bogus, bro. Thank you for the sausage.
Caleb, I have an idea. Don't explode me.
Okay, what's your idea?
What? You sell me and then I explode inside of it.
Hee. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video, man. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I know this guy was a little weird, but... Okay.
Hey! No, I do the outro. I'm better, and I'm proness. He should
Okay,
end the video
okay.
right now.
Okay, guys. I know it was a little weird video, but I was trying to get this out quick. And he was the only other person
No,
to hop on.
no, he's not trying to get it out quick. He's trying to take 3 years. He said that.
I'm blowing you up.
No, you're not. I have a broken controller, so you can't do that.
Okay, then just step outside.
Why not?
Just step outside. I have a present to give you. I said step outside. Haha, non-proness. Oh well. But that's gonna be for all today. Folks, I know today was an exploding video. And I can't wait for the next update. This game's really good. And let me know if I should buy that $30 thing.